Many people are affected by the malfunctioning of some of their organs, and this affects the whole body, more than just this organ, and often we do not know how we can treat such discomfort. One of the issues that arise in our body has to do with the thyroid gland which, when not properly managed and deteriorated, can cause our body and the functions of our organs to become unstable. If you want to know more about the thyroid and how you can treat the diseases that are linked to it, then today we will talk about one of the most incredible homemade recipes for you to achieve it. The thyroid gland is located in our neck and is a small gland that is part of our endocrine system. Its main role is to secrete hormones that help our body to stay at the correct temperature and our metabolism is balanced, influencing our growth and development. When this gland is impaired, all these functions are affected as well, and that is why it is important to keep it healthy and functioning in the right way. This gland can be damaged if we have vitamin B12 deficiency in the body, if we consume a lot of iodine or synthetic thyroid hormones, if the gland is inflamed due to the presence of lumps in the thyroid, cancerous growths in the thyroid, and thyroid disorders can be hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. In the case of hypothyroidism, the thyroid hormones in the blood are rejected, and over the course of time, it becomes hyperthyroidism, which is the hyperactivity of the gland to secrete more hormones. The symptoms of hypothyroidism include weight gain, depression, joint pain, sensitivity to warm or cold temperatures, pressure in the throat, high cholesterol, dry skin, and even vision problems. Changes in mood, nervousness, weight loss, and arrhythmias, among others, may occur in the case of hyperthyroidism. To treat these problems, you can use a recipe based on coriander seeds. You will need 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 cup of drinking water, honey to taste. Preparation and consumption. What you should do is boil the water and add the coriander seeds and cover. Let cook for at least 15 or 20 minutes and remove from the flame and proceed to strain the infusion. Serve the infusion and drink. If you want, you can sweeten it with honey. You should take this recipe every day on an empty stomach, and after a week you will begin to see the results.